Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Rose and here's my husband. Honey, come here.
Hi everyone. My lovely wife.
My sweet husband.
Y'all enjoy.
Thank you. Hi guys, I want to share to the third videos that I will share to you, and this is my third. I hope you watch my first and second video, and this is the third step that you need to prepare for your Q1 fiancé visa processing, and the following to prepare for the third steps is I-129F. It's you need to fill up the form before your fiancé back to their place or the United States. You need to prepare everything. And G325A, I already filled up that one so that my fiancé can get that form. And G1145, I did that also. I fill up that form. And then 2x2 picture, the sponsors and the petitioner. Sponsors as petitioner and beneficiaries have 2x2 picture, and then and all 2x2 picture and with receipts, so that during forwarded the all documents to USCIS, everything is with record with the receipts. So you need a receipts, guys, to submit to the USCIS when your fiancé will submit the USCIS application to you for you to petition. Okay, and then you give I think you need to, before your fiancé visit to your country or your place, you need to get first the PSA birth certificate. In the Philippines, that's a PSA birth certificate that you need to prepare. And then fiancé letter of intent. So we already prepared. I already prepared that. I am the one prepared anyway. And then couples photo. I told you the second video that you need to take photo every time or every activity you did. Kailangan po na mayroon kayong photo. And then at dapat po i-photo print nyo yan. I think 4x6 or 5x7, but mine is 5x7. We do is 5x7, and because it's very nice if 5x7, and glossy, kailangan po is glossy yung paper na gagamitin niyo, because that's nice. And also dapat yung photo ninyo, lagyan nyo ng pangalan sa likod. Yeah, for example, my name, my husband name, and then the location, name, my husband name, my name, and date, location, or any info that you want to put in the photo. So, and then you need to use the black pen. You need to use the black pens to put the name, date, location of your photo. So I want to show you guys my photo sample. Where's my photo sample? Here, I have a lot of papers. Here. This is the difference. So this is my photo, and then I don't have this is I make in the box. This is I use for my interview anyway. So this is the back of my paper, my photo that printed. So name of mine and my husband, and date, then location, then note what we did before, what we did, that picture, some caption that you need to put it. And then what else? Where's my and next is the receipts, guys. The important, the receipts, the original receipts you put in the bond paper, so that your fiancé not misplace all your original receipts, hotel receipts, foods, gifts, flight itinerary, boarding pass stubs, all of that receipts that you'll be together. You need to keep that all, guys. And I already mentioned that last my second video about the Q1 fiancé visa processing. So I hope you keep that all receipts, guys, especially the receipts that your fiancé give money to you, or give money from through MoneyGram, any type of money. What you call that, honey? What you call that? MoneyGram. What else? Western Union. And I forgot. I work in Cebuano, but I forgot, honey. And that's, guys. And actually, all I remember that MoneyGram, Quenstar, honey, because that's my fiance send me money. That's the where I get is in the Cebuana year. So, guys, that's the third step that you should follow, because it's very, very hard, guys, if you're not follow my step, because that's what I do when I prepare my documents. So, and I hope you're not tired of we doing this preparation, and you have a lot of preparation, guys, especially your timeline for if your fiancé submitted to USCIS. You have a lot of form to prepared and everything, guys, and all the form that you especially the what you call this, GI 1145, you need to fill out that and sign by your petitioner. So if your petitioner already submitted the USCIS, the documents, and when the NOAA 1, NOAA 2, and then the Manila case number will come, everything of that form is be with you when during your interview. So you need to prepare of that, guys, and sign by your fiancé, so your fiancé will not send everything to you more about your documents. So at least little preparation for the interview coming during the Manila case number is forwarded, because during the time the Manila case number is sending only to my fiancé and set an appointment for the US Embassy interview. So in my next video, I will share to you guys the folders that you need to prepare, and the documents, and also the sample, because I have also interview this coming a week, so I need to prepare also. So I want to share also you guys. So I hope you subscribe, comments, any suggestion of my video, accepted because I don't know how to make my vlogs anyway. And then I hope guys you enjoy watching my video and more knowledge that about my Q1 visa processing. And then hope guys you have any comments and any question you can send me in the comments portion. And then please click the bell button so you can update more videos that I will make. So bye bye guys for now, and have a nice day. Please subscribe, like, and share. I love you guys.